Hey, this is Matthew with ARAC Roof and Ford. I'm over here at Miss Flo's house in Cumming. Gonna do an attempted repair on this shingle right here. You can see it's wind creased. So I'm gonna put you down right here and make sure that we're replacing the shingle. In order to do a repairability test, I've got to releasing the shingles around it, pull this shingle out, which is 1, 2, 3, and then put the shingle back in, showing an attempted repair. So I'm gonna do that now. There's your wind crease shingle right here. Now I'm going to attempt to put this shingle back in. In order to hammer these nails back into this shingle, I'm going to have to do so by lifting these shingles up above it, and where I don't hit the edge of the shingle, but also be able to get the nail in flush. You can see that right here on this one, just scraping it loose. I've already got some mat transfer right here. I'll show you up close on this one, but which is just showing on repairability. But I'm going to do the nails now. You can see that it's creating a line already. I'll show you up close here shortly. All right, I got the nails back in. I'm gonna show you right here real quick. You can see the lines that are beginning to form on these shingles. I've got tearing right here on this, and you can see the creasing on this just coming undone. Same thing right here. You can see the creasing all the way happening. And then on this one right here, I'll show you some of the mat transfer. You can see right here, you got mat transfer on this, as well as this one right here, where it's just ripping the shingle off and causing further damage to these shingles. So unfortunately, this shingle is unrepairable. It's causing more damage around the shingles that need to be replaced, and it's unrepairable. So again, this is Matthew with Roof It Forward over here at Miss Flo's house. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the ground.